Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we'll be solving mathematics related question. So this question is gotten from Jamb 2010, and the question is about number base. We are given this. We are told that 6r7 base 8 is equals to 511 base 9. So this is a number based question. We need to convert this to base 10. And how do we convert to base 10? Remember, if you are converting to base 10, you are doing multiple multiplication. Example, if you have 101 base 2, you want to convert it to base 10, you're going to do 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Then start from the last 2. You write 0 here, 1, 2. Then add this. That's 1 times, what's 2 raised to power 2, which is 2 times 2, 4, plus 0 times, what's 3 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 1, which is 2, plus 1 times, what's 3 raised to power 0, and 3 raised to power 0 is what? 1 from indices. Then you have 4 plus 0 plus 1, which is what? 5 base 10. That means we've converted this to what? To base 10. The same thing we're going to do to this. We're going to convert it to what? To base 10. Each of them, we convert them to what? To base 10. So let's start with the first one. We have 6 times 8 because the base is 8. That's 6 times 8 plus r times 8 plus 7 times 8 to be equals to, so that means we convert this to base what? To base 10. Then we start from the lowest 8. We write 0, 1, 2. Same thing as this. That's 5 times the base, which is 9, plus 1 times the base, this one times the base, which is 9, plus the next one times the base, which is 9. Then you add the index to 0, 1, 2. So what is 8 raised to power 2? 8 raised to power 2 is what? 8 times 8, which is 64. That means 6 times 64 plus r times, what is 8 raised to power 1? 8 raised to power 1 is what? 8 raised to power 1 is 8 plus 7 times, what's 8 raised to power 0? 8 raised to power 0 is what? 1. To be equals to 5 times, what's 9 raised to power 2? 9 raised to power 2 is what? 9 times 9, which is 81, plus 1 times, 9 raised to power 1 is what? 9, plus 1 times, 9 raised to power 0 is what? 1. So what is 64 times 6? 64 times 6 will give you, this is 24, this is 36, 36 plus 2 is 38. That means that's 384, plus r times 8 is 8r, plus 7 times 1, which is 7, to be equals to 5 times 81. 81 times 5 will be what? 5 times 1, which is 5. 5 times 8 is what? 40, which is 405, plus 1 times 9, which is 9. 1 times 9, which is 9, plus 1 times 1, which is 1. So you add this and this together. That means 384 plus 7. So you're going to have 1. That's 391. So you have 391 plus 8r to be equals to, add everything together, I'm going to get 415. So take this to this side by subtracting 391 from both sides. That means you're going to have 8r to be equals to, there's a positive here, so when it comes to this side, not to negative, 415 minus 391. So if you have that, you're going to have 8r to be equals to, what's 415 minus 391? 415 minus 391. You're going to have 4. That's 24. So 8r equals to 24. So you divide both sides by what? By 8. Divide by 8. Divide by what? That's 8r divided by 8 to be equals to 24 divided by 8. 8 cancel 8. So that means your r is what? 24 divided by 8, which is 3. So as simple as that. 3. So this is a Jamb question you'll be able to solve. Thank you for being my channel.